Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to clean your debit card's magnetic strip in 2025. With all the contactless payments and digital wallets around, it's easy to forget that old school magnetic strips still get dirty from pocket lint, sweat, or everyday use. A grimy strip can lead to declined transactions at ATMs or stores, which is frustrating when you're in a rush. Don't worry. I'll walk you through this step by step in just a few minutes, so you can keep your card working like new. First, let's talk about why this matters. In 2025, even with advanced tech, magnetic strips are still vulnerable to dirt and wear, potentially causing read errors. Cleaning it regularly can extend your card's life and save you headaches. Now, gather your supplies. You'll need a soft microfiber cloth, isopropyl alcohol, at least 70% concentration, and a clean, flat surface to work on. Avoid using water, soap, or abrasive materials, as they can damage the strip. Step 1. Start by inspecting your card. Hold it under good lighting and gently wipe away any visible dust or debris with a dry part of your microfiber cloth. Be careful not to bend or scratch the card. Step 2. Dampen a corner of the cloth with a small amount of isopropyl alcohol. You don't want it soaking wet, just lightly moist to avoid any excess liquid seeping into the card. Step 3. Gently swipe the damp cloth along the magnetic strip in one direction only. Go from one end to the other, applying light pressure. Repeat this 2 to 3 times if needed, but don't overdo it to prevent wear. Step 4. Immediately dry the strip with a clean, dry section of the cloth. This step is crucial to prevent any moisture from causing issues later. Finally, test your card at a nearby reader or ATM to make sure it works smoothly. If it still doesn't read properly, it might be time to get a replacement from your bank. There you have it. Your debit card is now clean and ready for action. This quick maintenance can be done in under a minute and keeps things running efficiently. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more everyday tech tips, and share this with friends who might need it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.